Today we are going to solve Pearson Edexcel International GCSE Thursday 15 May 2025 most latest paper, and it's morning time 2 hours for MA1 and 1H over there. All right, Mathematics A paper 1H and higher tie over there. All right, it is 100 marks question, and it is 100 marks question. So I will say here that it is 100 marks question over there. All right. Calculator is allowed in this paper, and anything you write on the formula page will gain no credit. All right. Some formula page is given over here. On this formula page, if you are writing something, it is little bit of reference, which we can manipulate for the solution. If we are forgetting some formula, we can confirm it from there. Okay, let's start our paper. For now, I'll answer all 25 questions. Write your answers in the spaces provided. You must write down all the stages in your working. Okay, the table gives the information about the distance of 100 adults travel to work. Before starting the solution, I will suggest you, if you are the new viewer on my account, on my YouTube video, kindly subscribe my video and my channel, and like the video and share the video with your friends so that they can also get the benefit and get the solution of this paper over there. Okay, here he is saying a distance is given with the different uh, classes having the range 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, and its frequency is given over there. And he is asking, write down the model class. Model class means most repeating class over there. So according to looking at these numbers, 40 is the largest number over there. So this is the model class, which I will write over there. D is greater than 5. D is greater than 5 and less than or equal to 10. This is the most repeating term. Most having the mod of this value should be taken into account. After that, he is saying work out and estimate mean of the distance. And according to mean, we have the formula summation fx over summation f over there. This is the formula, by the way. And for this one, we will have to get our x. We will have to add 0 plus 5 divided by 2. That will be 2.5 there. From 5 to 10, it will be 7.5 there. And in the next one, it will have 12.5 over there. It will have 17.5 over there. It will have 22.5 over there. By getting all of these values, I will say I will have to multiply all of these values and putting them into a proper form over there. Then I will say go for a 2.5 multiply by 26 plus after that 7.5 multiply 40 over there plus 12.5 multiply 16. This is the third value. After that 17.5 multiply 10 plus 17.5 multiply by 10 over there. I'm just multiplying the frequency and the middle value of my given classes over there to getting, and then I will add them and I will divide it with the sum of the frequency over there. Okay, after that he is saying 22.5 multiplied by 8 plus 22.5 multiplied by 8 over there divided by 26 multiplied 40 is 66, 66 and 10, 76 and 82, 82, 92 and 800. It is 100 should be there. And if I go for calculation in the form of calculator, all right, let's go with it. First of all, fraction introduced and bracket start 2.5 multiply 26, 2.5 multiply 26, bracket close, plus bracket start, 7.5 multiply 40, multiply 0, bracket close. After that, then again plus bracket start. 12.5 multiply 16, multiply 16 over there. After that, that is 17.5 multiply 10. That is 175. So I'm directly putting it over there. 17.5 multiply 10 will give me 175. So I'm just putting plus 175 plus should be taken over there. Bracket start again. And now 22.5 multiply 8. 22.5 multiply by 8 and bracket close divided by 100 over there, and I'm getting the value 46 by 5. If I get in decimal form, that is equal to 9.2 over there. I think so you are clarified and known how we can calculate the estimated means, and that is 9.2 over there. So I have done this for you. So it is 9.2. Remember that I have used the formula summation fx over summation f to get my estimated mean over there. What is he saying in the next part? Okay, the question 1 is complete now. Let's move to question number 2 over there. And let's check what they are saying over here. Here he is saying Anna makes cups. Each cup cost 6 Swiss francs to make. And Anna puts the cups into boxes to sell. Each box contains 4 cups. Okay. So 4 cups in one box, and each cup costs 6 Swiss francs. Okay. Anna sells 80 boxes of cups of total for a total 2160 Swiss francs is over there. And work out the percentage profit of Anna makes over there. So for that purpose, I will say here, let's check what is the cost, because she has sold the 80 boxes for 2160. First, I will have to calculate the cost. So cost for 80 boxes will be 4 cups, 6 francs. 4 cups multiplied by 6 Swiss francs, and she sold the 80 total boxes over there. So 4 multiply 6 multiply 80 over there. 4 multiply 6 multiply 80. Wait a second, 4 is not written over there. 4 equals to 1920. 1920, and the sale price is equal to 2160. Here I am writing the formula for percentage profit over there. Percentage profit, because he is asking work out the percentage profit. Percentage profit is equal to sale price minus cost price over cost price multiplied by 100. Keep this formula in your mind. That will be easy approach to solve this. Okay. So cost sale price is 2160 minus 1920 divided by cost price. Always remember cost price in the denominator. 1920 multiplied by 100 over there. Let's go and calculate it. That he has written for us. Fraction introduced first of all. 2160 minus 1920, and in the 20, wait a second, 20 divided by 1920 multiplied by 100 is equal to 25 by 2, which is 12.5. So it is 12.5% is the profit which he has earned. That is 12.5%. For calculating the percentage, I have introduced the formula here, profit percentage. So always keep in mind sale price minus cost price over cost price multiplied by 100 will be taken into account. After that, he is saying The height of each cup is 9 centimeter. Correct to the nearest centimeter. Write down the lower bound of the height. Always remember 1 centimeter, nearest centimeter. This is 1 centimeter basically. And to calculate the lower bound and upper bound, I will divide 1 with 2. Then I get 0.5. For getting upper bound, I will add into original value. And for getting lower bound, I will subtract from this 0.59. Then 9 minus 0.5 is equal to 8.5 is the lower bound for it. After that, he is saying here, the weight of each cup is 120 gram, correct to the nearest 10 gram. Again, upper bound, lower bound is needed. So divide this 10 gram value by 2 over there and you got 5 gram. And for upper bound, you add it into this value and you will get 120 plus 5 and you will get 125 gram over there. Okay, it's looking nice over here that he has shown that 50. This is a simple angle formation over there. AB and BC are two sides of regular polygon. AB and BC. AB and BC. Okay. Work out the value of N. Okay, show that you're working clearly. So from here, by subtracting these two values, I will get the interior angle of this polygon, which is showing its angle over here. Then I will use the formula for calculating the number of sides of a polygon over there. Let's go with it and calculate first. So I will subtract this by 360 over here. Let's do it. 360 minus 148 minus 360. Why it's writing like that? 360 minus 148 minus 50 equals to 162 over there. So it is 162. And he said it is a regular polygon. Remember that when this word regular is added, it means all the sides are equal over there. Let's go with it. And we know the formula is interior angle is equal to n minus 2 multiplied by 180 divided by n. This is the formula for calculating the interior angle of regular polygon. So interior angle is 162, and n is multiplying with interior angle value n, and it is 180 n minus 360. Let's take 360 on the left side and 162 on 180 side. 180 n minus 162 n, and I will get 360 over there. 180, this is 18. So I will get here 18n is equal to 360, and we know 18 to the 36. So n is equal to 360 over 18 is equal to 20. So this is the way how to calculate the sides, number of sides of this figure. So n is equal to 20 over there. All right, let's go to the next part over here. He is saying calculate the value of m over there. So if the bases are same, powers are added. So we can say here x power 5 plus 7 is equal to x power m. And I can say x power 12 is equal to x power m. So if x and x are equal, definitely powers are equal. So m is equal to 12 over there. After that, he is saying calculate the value of n over there. Yeah, it's too much easy also. Let's go with it. He is saying when it is basis sum and division sign, powers will be subtracted. Y power 8 minus 3 is equal to y power n. Y power 5 is equal to y power n. Then n will equal to 5 over there. After that, here he is saying just take, when I have to take 5 power 3 in, I will have to take power a power 4 to multiply 3. I will have to take r power 2 multiply 3 over there. Then it is 125 a power 12. and r power 6 over there should be taken into account over there. So remember that whenever we will have to go for the power to multiply inside, then the powers will be multiplied, and here it is 1 multiplied 3, and I just expanded it and written it like this. So 125 a power 12 and r power 6 over there should be taken into account over there. Okay, in the next question, we are going towards the whole question where he is saying in question number 5 over there. In a sale, normal prices are reduced by 28%, and the sale price of the watch is 198 euros over there, where he is telling us work out for the normal price of the watch. So it is 28% reduced. It means it is only 72% value. I will have to calculate the 100% value. So go with 100 divided by 72 multiply by 198 over there. So this is the value, how to calculate this and how to work out with the original value over there. Okay, let's check what is the answer over there. Okay. 100 multiply 198, 100 multiply 198 divided by 72 over there equals to 275. So this is the way how to go for this question over there. Remember that I took this 28, 100 minus 28 was equal to 72, and 72% was this 198 value. Then I want 100% original value of normal price over there. So I have used this relation to calculate the unknown value over there. Let's move to the question number 6 over there, where he is saying show the clear algebraic working over there. And for this purpose, we will have to arrange the variable to make the. Okay, let's make x as a subject over there for solving as a solution over there. Solve this x minus 4 and this. This is being divided. So I will multiply it on this side. 6 into x minus 4 is equal to 3 plus 2x. 6x minus 24 is equal to 3 plus 2x. Let's simplify this and arrange it now. And for arranging and simplifying, I will say here that I am getting the value 6x minus 2x is equal to 3 plus 24. So it is 4x is equal to 27, and it is x is equal to 27 by 4 over there is my final value over there. So for this one, if we want x value in the decimal form over there, 27 by 4, 27 divided by 4 is equal to this is equal to 6.75. So it is 6.75. Okay, here he is saying factorize this. Always remember, if this y square is having 1 over there, I will have to multiply these two numbers. 30 into 1 is equal to 30. I will factorize it in such a way like 6 and 5, that if I add minus 6 minus 5, it will give me by adding as minus 11. And if I multiply both of them, they give me 30. So I am dividing and factorizing this central value to get y square minus 6y minus 5y plus 30 over there. And I will get here y into y minus 6 minus 5 into y minus 6 over there. And I will get y minus 6 into y minus 5 over there. So let's go with it, y minus 6 into y minus 5 over there. So this is the solution of this question over there. After that, he is saying put it equal to 0. Put this one equal to 0, like y minus 6 equal to 0 and y minus 5 is equal to 0, and you will get your values y equal to 6 and y equal to 5 over there. So 6 comma 5 you have got as the solution of this equation. Here he is saying that some values of cylinder is given as the radius of the cylinder is 8 centimeter. Here it is written 8 centimeter over there, and height is h centimeter. The volume of the cylinder is 93892 cm cube. Work out the value of h. So according to formula, we know volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Volume is given as 3892 is equal to pi, and radius was given 8 square into h, and I want to calculate h over there, and I will get 3892 divided by 3892 divided by pi into 64. So 64 pi I want to check over there. Okay, fraction introduced, and 3892 divided by 64 pi. 64 shift pi equals to 19.35. So h is equal to 19.35 over there. And so this is the solution for finding the height of the cylinder over there. Let's move to the next part over there. It is 19.35. I am writing it 19.35 over there. Okay, let's move to the question number 8. Here he is saying 520 million in standard form. Okay, 520 multiply 10 raised to power 6, and it will be written as decimal is at the last, it will be going at this point. So it is 5.20 multiply 10 raised to power 6 plus 2. So it is 5.2 multiply 10 raised to power 8. 5.2 multiply 10 raised to power 8 is the final answer. After that, he is saying write this one as ordinary number. So write it 9, 7, 8. 8 is counted 1. We will have to go 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 0, and decimal and 0 over there. This is called ordinary number, which was expressed in standard form. Okay, now he is saying go with it. Because 5, 7 times 35. Multiply 10 raised to power 42 minus 180. Always remember, never go to calculate this with the help of calculator, because calculator will not be giving you this such smaller quantity in a precise value. So 42 minus 180. 42 minus 180 is equal to minus 138. So it is 35 multiply 10 raised to power minus 138. I'm taking decimal one place back, then I'm getting value 3.5 multiply 10 raised to power minus 38 plus 1. So it will be giving me 3.5 multiply 10 raised to power minus 137 over there. 3.5 multiply 0.5 multiply 10 raised to power minus 137 over there. All right. Let's move to the next question over there. What he is saying over there, that he is telling us how to go with it. Okay, in this figure, he is giving A, B, C, D is a trapezium with one line of symmetry. It means if I place here, this one is becoming image of the other size over there. Here he is saying ABCD is a trapezium with the one line of symmetry over there. And we can say here ADC is 60 degree, all right. AD is 12, all right. Then he is saying DC is 47. So this value DC is 47 centimeters. And he is saying work out the area of trapezium up to 3 centimeter over there. All right. If it is one line of symmetry, it is having, if I'm saying it is at the center, then I will say here 47 divided by 2 is giving me value 47 divided by 2. 47 divided by 2 is equal to this, equals to 23.5. It is 23.5. It is also 23.5. So if it is 12 and it is 60 and I want to calculate my height over there, then I am using, this is the right angled triangle, and then I am using for this height, my ratio for perpendicular and hypotenuse, I am using sine 60 degree is equal to, like, height, I am taking h over there, h over 12. So h is equal to 12 multiply sine 60 degree. Let's go for calculation over there. That is 12 multiply sine 60. Sine 60 bracket close is equal to 8 under root 3, which is equal to 13.86. H is equal to 13.86. Everything is going in centimeters, so this is my height. And for calculating the area, I will say that I will have to use the formula. For that purpose, first of all, for calculating this height, I will also have to go for this length calculation as a base over there. Then I will say, according to Pythagoras theorem, go with it and calculate the distance from point D to, let's suppose, x over there. Dx should be taken and it should be subtracted from the other side also, because it is having one line of symmetry and both sides should be subtracted by that distance over there. So I'm saying here 12 multiply 7 sine 60. Wait a second, I did something wrong over there. I did division. Oh, that made the wrong answer. I was not expecting this. I should go multiply sine 60 and the value is 6 under root 3, which is 10.39. How I judged this answer? Because my height is coming larger from the hypotenuse, which is not in real possible. So I have checked it while applying before to the Pythagoras theorem. So always remember, whenever such something is happening, that means you are done with the mistake, and try to avoid such silly mistakes over there. 10.39, 10.39. Let's go for calculation of base over there. By using the Pythagoras theorem, now I'm saying dx, x is equal to 12 square minus 10.39 square over there. Let's go with it. Let's take the square root. Square root 12 square minus 10.39 square is equal to 6, exactly 6 over there. Okay, 6 is this, 6 is this. It means 12, and subtract this 47 with 12, then you will get AB as 35 centimeter. So according to the formula of trapezium, let's go with it and apply it. 1 by 2, and height is, h is 10.39, 0.39, and take the sum of parallel sides, 47 plus 35. 47 plus 35 over there. Let's go for calculations over there. So I will have to take 1 by 2, 0.5 multiply 10.39, 0.5. 1 by 2, I am taking 0.5 multiply 10.39, then bracket start, multiply bracket start 47 plus 35. 47 plus 35, bracket close, is equal to this, equals to 425.99. 425.99, which is approximately equal to 426 over there. So this is the area of the trapezium should be taken as centimeter square. That is 426 over there as centimeter square. Okay, now he is saying put the missing values over there and try to draw the graph. All right, it's very easy question just to put this -3 here. -3 cube plus 2 into -3 plus 3. Let's get the value over there. -3 is -27 minus 6 plus 3. That is -33. So it is -30. -30 over there. -30. After that, he is saying put 2. Okay, 2 in the form of cube plus 2 into 2 plus 3 is giving me the answer. 2 power 3 is 8 plus 4, 12 plus 3, 15. So it is having the value at 15 over there. Now he is saying plot the graph with the -3 plus 3, -3 minus 30. -3 with -30. So it is the point here. After that, he is saying -2 minus 9. -2 is here and -9 is coming here. After that, he is saying that -1 is 0. -1 is 0. And 0 is having value 3. 0 is having value 1, 2, and 3 over there. After that, he is saying that 1 is having value 6. 1 is having value 5, 6. All right. Now he is saying that go with the value 2 as 15. 2 as 15. So 20 and it is the value 15 over there. And in the last 3 value 36. 3 is this, 30, 35, 36. So by joining all of these points, we are getting a curve over there. And this is a cubic graph over there, which is showing us the values to be taken in the form of this curve to be taken into account. So it was the plotting of these values and getting the missing values. The graph is done over there. Okay, try to be focused and exactly precise for solving such type of questions. Okay, here he is saying OABC is a sector of a circle with center O. All right. This is 140, 16, 16. All right. Calculate the area of the sector. Yeah, that's very easy. And we use the formula area of sector is equal to pi r square multiplied by theta divided by 360. Then pi is still there. R square, it means 16 square into theta, or angle is 140 over 360. Let's calculate it. First of all, I will have to take pi, multiply 16 square, multiply 140, 140 divided by 360. 360 is equal to this, is equal to 312.76. 312.76, and he is saying 3 significant figure. So I'm taking 313. I'm taking the answer as 313 centimeters squared. Now he is saying show as a single fraction. All right, take the LCM over there. So LCM is 4, 6, that 24x. All right. After that, 6x should be multiplied by 5, that is 30x. 4 should be multiplied with x minus 3 plus 4x minus 12. So you will get here the value 34x minus 12 over 24x. By taking the common from the above, we get 17 by taking common as 2. 17x minus 6 divided by 24x. 2 1 the 2 12 the. So it is 17x minus 6 over 12x should be taken into account. After that, here he is going to calculate for some percentages. Let's go with it. Mr. Charlotte bought an apartment for 7,50,000. In the first year, the value of the apartment decreased by 4%. In the second year, the value of the apartment is decreased by 6.5%. In the third year, the value of the apartment is decreased by X%. And at the end of the third year, the value of Charlotte's apartment was this. Calculate the value of X. Oh, it's nice. So it means, first of all, in the first year, 4% value is decreased. So I will say here, the value of the apartment decreased by 6.5% in the second year. The value of the apartment decreased by 6.5% and then X% to get this value. All right, let's go with it. The original value is 7,50,000. Decrease it 4%. So I will say here that I will have to take 96% value of 7,50,000 by the end of first year. So I will say here 96 divided by 100 should be multiplied by 7,50,000 with 3 zeros. Let's go to calculate this. 96 multiplied by 750 with the 000. 1, 2, 3 divided by 100 equals to 7 2 with 4 zeros. So it is 7 2 with 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, in the second year, the value of the apartment decreased by 6.5%. Okay, now I will have to decrease this value by 6.5%. So it should be 94 from 6, 93.5. So I will have to take 93.5 divided by 100, multiply by 7 2 with 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Let's go with it. 72072. Okay. Now I'm going with 93.5 multiplied by 7 2 with 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 100 equals to 673,200. 673,200. And 673,200. And now he is saying in this part, let's check what he is asking. At the end of the third year was this. And here he is saying that it is increased by X%. So this value is original value. And I am getting this value to be increased up to this value. So I can say here, this is my cost price, this is my sale price. And I can say sale price minus cost price over cost price multiplied by 100 to get my X percentage over there. Because he said, now calculate increased percentage. Okay, let's go for it. We will have to take 673. Okay, and our cost price is sale price is 698,445. 698,445 minus 673,200 over our cost price is 673 with 200 multiplied by 100. Let's put this value in the calculator over there. Uh, let's go and do it. Okay. First of all, I am saying fraction introduced. And my value is 698,445, 698,445 minus 673,200, 673,200 divided by 673,200 multiplied by 100 equals to 15 by 4, that is equal to 3.75. 3.75 is my x value by which it is increased in the third year. Okay. All right. This is the way how to go with it to solve it in the form of percentage over there. 3.75. 3.75. Okay, here he is saying that Ricardo is going to play one game of badminton and one game of tennis. All right. He can either win or lose each game. The probability that he will win the game of badminton is 0.7. And the probability that he will win the game of tennis is 0.4. Complete the probability. Okay, 0.7. 0.7 is the probability win of 0.7. Win probability. Win probability is 0.7 for badminton win. 0.7 for badminton to lose is 0.3 over there. Okay. If he wins here, tennis win and lose. And the probability he can either win or lose each game. So for badminton, if he is winning here as 0.7, then I am saying according to win and lose over there, it will go for win as 0.7 and will lose for 0.3. And for badminton, he is going again with 0.4, 0. Okay, it is 7 by 10. Basically, I'm saying it is 7 by 10. If he is winning, then for here, his probability is totally independent probabilities that he has shown that the probability of win of the game of tennis is 0.4. So I'm saying here, win is 0.4 and lose is 0.6 over there. Work out the probability that the Richard loses both games. So it is 0.3, 0.6. 3 multiplies 0.6 because it is saying both and. So it is 0.018 will be the probability to take this. Okay, this is the probability when we take the both events are happening at any cost over there. 0.18. Okay, here he is coming towards the calculation of k for this whole value. All right. So 5 under root 3. So I am saying here k, what the k is having this value. Let's check on calculator and let's do with the calculator here. Here he is saying, let's do it. It is 3 power 1 by 2, which having with having whole power 5. So I'm saying here 3 power 5 by 2 there. So it will go with it 3 power 2.5, which I can say here 3 power 2 dot 3 power 0.5. And I know 3 power 0.5 is under root 3 again, and 3 power 2 is 9. So your value of k is 9 over there. You can use calculator also. It will be easy for you if you are calculating it by a very sensitive method over there. Let's go for rationalize because we don't need square root value with the denominator over there. So 21 over 3 minus under root 2, and for rationalizing 3 plus under root 2 over 3 plus under root 2 over there. So it is coming 21 into 3 plus under root 2 divided by 3 square uh, minus under root 2 square over there, and it should be being taken as square root cancel, and 3 square 9 minus 2 is 7. So I'm taking this value 21 into 3 plus under root 2 and divided by 7. 3 times is this. So I am saying here 3 the 9, 3 into 3 plus under root 2. So I am getting here C plus D form. He is needing only C plus D form over there. And C plus D form should be being taken as take this 3 to be multiplied here, and 3 the 9, plus take this 3 as equal to under root 3 under root 3. So it will be under root 9. Multiply this with under root 9, then you will get under root 2 multiply 9 over there. Then it will be 9 plus under root 18. So this is the form which he is asking, 9 plus under root 18 over there. 9 plus under root 18 over there. Try to focus on this point where I said I am taking this 3 to be multiplied with 2 to show my answer in this form exactly. After that, he is saying f of x is given, g of x is given. Calculate f of 9. F of 9 is equal to 9 minus under root 9. So 9 minus 3 is equal to 6 over there. All right. Now he is saying f of g of x is less than 0. F of g of x. Okay. 9. First of all, look here. I will have to put this g of x into f. G of x is having this value. Put it in the place of x. So you will get here 9 minus under root 4x square. Then it is giving you 9 minus 2x from here. 2x less than 0. And for this one, I'm taking this 2x on other side. 9 less than 2x. And x is greater than 9 by 2. X is greater than 4.5 over there. So remember that you can also write it x is greater than 4.5 over there. So this is the way how to go with it for simplifying this algebraic expression in the form of functions over there. Okay, here he has given us the frequency density and in minutes, and the people are given over there. Here he is saying work out the estimate for the proportion of these people who were in the shop for more than 40 minutes. More than 40 minutes. All right. Here you have the frequency density, which is 0.5 over here. So this one is 0.5, and this one is having the value 1.75. And for calculating the frequency over there, remember that we will have to multiply the frequency density. As we know, the formula of frequency density is equal to class width over frequency. And here I will say that frequency I need, and it means I will have to divide my frequency class width with my frequency density over there. Frequency is equal to class width over frequency density. So class width from 30 to 50 is 20 into divided by frequency density is 0.5. And should also being added with the other one, that is having 10 divided by 1.75. 10 divided by 1.75. Let's go towards calculator over there. That is easy way. Fraction introduced, 20 divided by 0.5 plus fraction introduced, that is 10 divided by 1.75, 1.75 equals to 3320 divided by 7, that is equal to 45.71. So we can say approximately it is equal to 46 over there. And it is 46 over there. And for the total information of the information shows on the table over in the shop over there, and that is 46 over there. And here he said, work out the estimate for the proportion of these people who were in the shop for more than 40 minutes. And we will have to take the other one also. So that is having its value as 15 to 30. 15 is the time gap for this one. And for the frequency density can be taken as 3.6. And for here it is 4, and for here it is 2.5. By just multiplying this 2.5 with dividing, 10 divided by 2.5 is 4. And from here 10 to 15, 5. 5 divided by 4 is 1.25. And for 3.6 divided by 15, 15 divided by 3.6, I will say it is 3 point something. Just add all of them and take them into the account over there. Okay, here he is saying y is inversely proportional to x cube. Y is inversly proportional to 1 over x cube. Y is equal to k over x cube. And y is equal to k over x cube. So y he has given us 4 is k over x cube. 3 power 3 is 27. So k is equal to 4 multiplied 27. 4 multiplied 27. 4 multiplied 27 equals to 108. So k is equal to 108. He is saying calculate y. Y is equal to k is 108. 108 divided by x cube. So x cube is equal to 108 divided by 864. Let's check what he is coming over there. 108 divided by 864. 864 equals to 1 by 8. So x cube is equal to 1 by 8. Taking the cube root on both sides, x is equal to 1 by 2 over there. Here he is saying the equation of the curve is y is equal to f of x. The only one minimum point on the curve, there is only one minimum point. The coordinates of the minimum point is 8 minus 12. I write down the coordinates of the minimum point on the curve with equation. Okay, y is equal to f of x plus 3. Y is equal to f of x plus 3. So here he is saying y is minus 12 and x is 8 over there. So that is minimum point. So if I say minimum point is coming like this is the minimum point over there. And for calculating this minimum point, we will say, okay, we will have to write this form. Let's go with it. As he said, f of x. So I will say here that it is written in the form of x plus x minus 8 to get plus 8 form over there in the form of function. X minus 8 and x minus 8. After that, whole square. And y he is giving minus 12 over there. So I'm saying here y is minus 12 in that case, minus 12 plus 3, and y is minus 12 plus 3 is already available over there. This is my f of x over there. So if I put my x as 8 over there, then y will equal to x minus 8 is equal to 0, x equal to 8, and y will equal to minus 9 is given in this format over there. So remember that our formula is x minus a whole square plus b is the original form which we get by the completing square format over there. Okay, then he is saying f of 2x in case of x 8 minus 12, what he will get the value over there. Then I will say here it is 2x should be taken over there. F of 2 f of 2x. So it is 2x giving the minus 12 over there. Then I will say here minus 12 as it is, no problem with it, means over there. And this double of the function is giving me value 8 over there as a minimum point over there. Then I will say it is written as 2x. X should be taken as 8 by 4 to the 8, 8 by 16 to give me 4 over there. So I am getting here the value as 32 over there. No, not 32. It should be getting over there this value as 4 over there. F of 2f of x. F of 2 into x is being taken as 8 should equal to it should equal to minus 12. Let's suppose I am saying here f of 2x. So 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. Then I am getting here 2x is equal to 8. X is equal to 8 by 2, which will equal to 4. So it is 412. I think so you have got it over there. It was the easiest way how to go for calculation over there. Okay, now he is saying that work out the length of BC over there, and the given data is in front of you. All right, first of all, I will place here law of cosines for calculating BD. When it will be calculated, then I will use law of sines over there. Okay, for calculating BD, I will say here law of cosine to be applied over there. Then it is 9.4 square plus 12.8 square minus 2 into 9.4 into 12.8 into cos 72. Cos 72. Let's go to place this value over there. Okay, take the square root. Square root 9.4 square, 9.4 square. After that, plus 12.8 square, 12.8 square minus 2 into 9.4, 12.8, 9.4 into 12.8 close into cos 72. Cos 72 bracket close is equal to 13.33. So it is having value 13.33. So now I need BC over there. So I'm saying here use the law of sines now. BD is equal to 13.33. Let's go to calculate the value of BC over there. So BC over sine 39 is equal to 13.33 over sine 54. So I'm saying here 54 and 13.33. Okay. 13.33 over sine 54 over there. Let's go to calculate BC. As he said, calculate the length of BC. BC over there will be calculated as 13.33 multiply sine 39 over sine 54. Let's go for it. 13.33 already I have. Just multiply this with sine 39. Sine 39 divided by sine 54. Sine 54 equals to 10.37. So it is BC, which is having the value 10.37 over there. Such type of question, remember that always when you are needing this side, then first apply law of cosine in this case. And by getting this value of BD over there, you will get your value by using law of sines over there, and you will get this value. And he said three significant figures over there. Okay, I round it off a little bit. 10.4. These are the three significant numbers values over there. All right. Here he is showing some probability question over there, all right, where he is saying a box contains 20 counters. 9 counters are red, 7 counters are yellow, 4 counters are green. 9, 7, 16, and 420. Alex takes at random 3 counters from the box. Work out the probability that exactly 2 of 3 counters are of the same color over there. All right, it means I will have to go for the values to be taken into account by different cases, where I will say here, first of all, I am going to take probability. Okay, so I'm saying here there are total 3 cards, and I'm taking, first of all, 9 is being taken, then multiply by 9 by 20. This is the first case. After that, I'm saying 8 by 19. Then I'm taking 7 by 18. This is the first case. Then I'm saying I am going to add this, multiply, it should be added. Then again the same case, again the same case, for go for 6 times at least. Okay, that will be the value which should be taken as its number into account over there. Let's take now 3 multiply 9 by 20, 8 by 18, 9 by 20. Now I'm taking 9 by 20 again, and 8 by 18 I'm selecting over there. 8 by 18 over there, and now I'm selecting 4 by 18. I'm taking 8 by 18, 9 by 18, and it was 4 by 18. And here I will say 8 and 7, two of the same colors I have taken. From here 9 by 20, 8 by 18, 8 by 19 should be taken over there. Multiply, I'm saying now go with 4 by 18. Means now this number is selected over there. Of the same colors, I have taken 2 values here. I have the same color I have taken over here, taken over here with 4 and 7 also. So use all the scenarios and try to get the answer as 51 over 76, which will be taken from the overall answer of this whole value, and that will be 67% or 66.9%, which will have the probability of 0.66 over there. I'm not going to too much try to use all of these scenarios of the probability and then add them to get your final answer. Solve the simultaneous equations. Yeah, it's very easy. Just put the y values in the above equation, x plus 2. So x plus 2 whole square plus 3 into x plus 2 plus x plus 2 whole square is equal to 7. So don't take x plus 2 over here. Only take in place of y. Or it is x square plus 3x plus 6 plus x square plus 4x plus 4 equal to 7. What I did, I have taken multiplication expansion, then I use the identity a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square to simplify it. X square and x square is 2x square. Then 3x plus 4x is 7x. Then 6 plus 4, 10 minus 7 plus 3 equals to 0. So I will have to go for getting the two values of x over there. 2, 3 times 6, 2x square plus 6x plus 1x plus 3 equals to 0. And 2x is taken as common, and I will get here x plus 3 plus 1 common into x plus 3 equals to 0. X plus 3 equals to 0. Then I will get x equal to minus 3 and 2x plus 1 equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 1 by 2. And for both of these cases, x is minus 3 minus 1 by 2. So first of all, y is equal to, for minus 3 plus 2 is equal to 1. And minus 1 by 2, second one was, I think so, minus 1 by 2. Yeah, minus 1 by 2. So it is y is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 2. You will get 1.5. So for both cases, you have for x minus 3, y equal to minus 1 and y equals to 1.5. So this is the way to solve the simultaneous equation. Okay, here he is saying the vectors are given over there. OA, O to A is 12A, O to A, OA. P is the midpoint, all right. And Q is the point on OB, all right. OAB is a triangle. ABR and PQ are straight lines, okay. OA is 12. O to A is 12A. And O to B is 8B. O to B is 8B. All right. Express AB in terms of A and B. AB is here, whole vector, and I need this AB. This is my final. So I will have to go minus 12A plus 8B. Minus 12A plus 8B is the answer of AB vector. Because the direction of AB is from A to B, and this is 12A being taken into account. Minus 12A plus 8B over there. So this is the way how to go with this question over there. And after that, I will say, what is he saying now for B part over there? He is saying that for B part, we will have to go for, first of all, he is saying OQ, AB and BR. AB and BR in ratio 1:2, 1 and 2 ratios. And on the other hand, he has given us OQ is equal to NB. OQ is NB. It's not given, but just it is given in the form of NB over there. So I will have to take here, first of all, PR. PR, if I want to take as the similar triangles over there. Then I will say here that it is saying that it is 6A because it is midpoint of P over there. So it is 6A and plus 3, 6A plus 3 into minus 12A plus B. I'm taking as a half vector over there. So if I simplify this, then I will get 6A minus 36A plus 3B. And this is, I am getting PR over there. PR over there. And if you want to look over here, he is saying use a vector method to find the value of N over there. All right. I mean, like NB, I need N to calculate over there. And now I'm getting P to R, PR value I am getting, then I will go for its ratio over there. So I will say PR will equal to minus 30A plus 3B. And if I want to take as RP, then I will say it will be like 30A minus 3B. This will be for RP and it is for PR over there. Both of these vectors can be taken into account for calculating my PQ now. PQ now. If I go for it, then I will say here I have NB over there and I have 6A over there. Then for PQ, it is equal to, I can say minus 6A plus NB. And if I take them equal to 30A minus 3B, and here I'm saying 5 is being multiplied over there, then it is 1 by 5 should be done over there. Then I will say here that the overall comparison of both of these equations, then I will get, I'm doing the remaining solution over here, minus 12A plus NB is equal to 3 into minus 12A plus 8B. Let's go for simplification and getting the value of N over there. And for here, minus 12A and minus 12A is gone. And it is going towards minus 24A. And then we will say here from X value, we will say here that 36 minus 30X is equal to minus 12. And from here, 12 is also going to add over there. 30X is equal to 48. X is equal to 48 over 30. 6, 8 the 48, 6, 5 the 30. 8 over 5 will equal to 5, 6, 8 the 48. So I will say here 10, 3, 16. Okay. Sorry. I have done something wrong over there. 6 is going towards being 46. 36 plus 12 is 48. 48 divided by 30. So it was 48 divided by 30. 6, 8 the 48. 6, 5 the 30. All right. 6, 8 the 48. 6, 5 the 40. So it is giving me the value 8 by 5 as X is equal to 5, 1 the 5, 1.6 is my value. And this 1.6 should be multiplied by 3 over there, and I will get 4.8 as my final answer. Okay, so it is having the value 4.8 over there. An arithmetic series of 30 has 30 terms. First term is A and the common difference is D. 20th term is 123. Sum of 30 terms is 2280. Work out the value of A and value of D over there. So A plus 19D is equal to 123. After that, 30th term, the sum of 30th term. So 22880 is equal to 30 terms. 30 by 2 into 2A plus 29D over there. So from here to 15, 2280 divided by 15. 2280 divided by 15 is equal to 152. So 152 is equal to 2A plus 29D over there. All right. Just place this value down. A plus 19D is equal to 123. Go for it. Just subtract, and you are not getting this. So I will have to multiply this first. 2A, 38 and 246. Now I'm subtracting the above value from the down value. 2a plus 29d is equal to 152 over there. Just subtract this, cancel a. 38 minus 29. 38 minus 29 is 8, 9. 1899d is equal to 246. 6 minus 2 is 4. 14 minus 5 is 14 minus 5 is 94. So from here I can say that I will get the value of D 246. 246. What it was? It was 152. Then I just multiplied this 246. 246 minus 152. It is 38 minus 29 it was. And 128, 120, 551d, and 38 and 29 and 9. What the mistake is done by me? Wait a second. Why 2 was also there? Oh God, I forgot. 2, 15. 15 is going to divide over there. 2a plus 29d. 2a plus 29d is equal to 152. And the other value was 2a plus 38d is equal to 246. Subtract, subtract, subtract. Some mistake is done by me, I think so. A plus 19d is 123. 2a plus 29d is equal to 2880. All right. 2880. Series has 30 terms. Okay. 6 minus 2, 4. 14 minus 5 is 9, is equal to 9. It should be 54. 152. 152 from where I got? 2280. Oh God, it was 2880. Wait a second. It was 2880. 192, guys. It is 192, guys. So it is 54 and it is 9d. D is equal to 54 over 9 is equal to 6. D is 6, okay? Try to be focused for solving this type of question over there. Okay, 6 and a plus 9 into 6. A plus 9 into 6 is equal to 123. Is equal to 123. So A is equal to 123 minus 96. The 96. D is equal to 6 over there. Okay. A plus 19 into 6. It is 19 into 6. So let's go 19 into 6. What is this? 19 into 6 is equal to 114. 114. And its value was equal to 123. Okay. So 123 minus 114 is equal to 9. So A is equal to 9 over there. Guys, it was too much lengthy paper, but it's done almost. That's the last one question over here. Here he is saying PQRS is a square. PR is the diagonal of the square. This, and this. This is a square. P is the point. P and R is the diagonal. Okay. P, Q, R, and S. And here he is saying PR is the diagonal of the square. And P has the point 4, comma 7. And R is having 8 minus 5. Okay. Find the equation of the straight line that passes through the point Q and S. Okay, as we know, it should be the perpendicular. Exactly 90 angle in the form of diagonal over there. I will go for the measurement of, first of all, for the gradient. And then by getting the gradient, then I will go for my gradient value. Then I will say here, and it is also going to bisect over there. I will go for midpoint to be taken into account. Okay, let's go first with the midpoint. And like I need this point over there as a midpoint, because in case of diagonal, it is going to bisect the both of the diagonals with each other over there. So midpoint is as point O over there. Let's suppose O is having their value 4 plus 8, 12. 12 by 2 is 6, comma. And then 7 minus 5 is 2. 2 by 2 is 1. So this is the center which is having 6, 1. Now I'm going towards gradient. Minus 5 minus 7 over 8 minus 4 is 4. So it is minus 12 over 4, which is having the value minus 3 over there. And I will say if the gradient is minus 3 for the normal PR, M for PR is this. Now I need for QS. M for QS, I know that the product of two perpendicular bisectors is equal to minus 1. And in that case, I will say it will come as 1 by 3 over there. In that case, when I'm getting my gradient and I have this point also, then I will use the formula of y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1 over there. Then my m is 1 by 3 into x minus 6 is equal to y minus 1, and just arrange 3y minus 3 is equal to x minus 6, and I am getting here x minus 3y is equal to y I'm taking towards x side. Minus 6 plus 3 is equal to 3. So x minus 3y, x minus 3y is equal to 3. And I can also write it 3y as a subject over there. So I will say 3y will equal to x minus 3. This is my equation which he was asking me to write over there in the form of a y, like 3y, and he is saying here bx plus c. So b is 1 and x is minus 3. Okay, this is the way how to go for the whole paper over there. This was the last question. Thank you so much for staying still connected with here. Kindly subscribe my channel and see you in the next video. Thank you so much for today. Allah Hafiz.